Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. What has organized you recently? Well, for me in my kitchen, this corner shelf by holzart. This corner shelf has taken my kitchen from this to this. I really love the open concept of this corner shelf. It shows off the things that I have, but it also shows what I need to get in the future. And that's important to me. I can't believe that all my teas, 14 boxes, and 4 canisters fit in one corner shelf. I'm able to store my lunch boxes, my extra pots and pans. I was able to put the whole thing together by myself. I needed a little help at the end to lift the top onto the bottom and then screw it to the wall. I did use and really appreciated the 2 anchors that hold the shelf to the wall. My floor is not the most level, and so this really helped. Organization and easy access together makes my kitchen wonderful. And this corner shelf by holzart is the best. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.